Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hopefully everyone is fine, enjoying your life. Today is Wednesday and I'm off because it is summer holidays. So currently I'm in Cardiff. I came here and I haven't done my breakfast because I was late. So I thought, like, instead of going to a restaurant, I will come and go to ALDI or any store. I don't buy from Lidl or Tesco because it's a boycott list. So I came here in ALDI. I'm going to get something, and I got you can say my stove with me, camping stove. So I will try to make something, and the benefit will be like I will gain experience, and second thing, I will know how to survive, and I will check if I can survive or not. And the third thing is, whatever I will buy, it's going to cheap. It's going to be something, if something is left, so I can still reuse it when I go back to my home. 199. I think this is beneficial. I am thinking to take this one. That's going to give me grinded black pepper and then the salt. So it's 1 kg bag, I think. So I took these things. I thought to take this cheese, but I don't know. No cheese. And I'm going to take this cheese here. This is 5.98 per kilogram. And we have a milk section here. I want to take whole milk, which was 4 pint. I think this is the one. And I am almost done. I need bread and eggs right now. So I'm going from haram section to the halal one. I think the eggs should be there. The bread is on the right side. So here we have eggs. So if I'm going to take this tray, which is 1.55, 6 eggs, and per egg will be 25, and this one is 2.49, and per egg will be 20, and eggs, and this one free range eggs also. These are the small eggs, and here we have big eggs. So it is 1 point, and the egg is actually big. Is it free range? So free range eggs I'm taking. And we have this one also. And it is 50% off, just because it is done. So I will take this one. It's very cheap right now, and it is 23rd of July, so I still have time. I will finish them before. Now the only thing which is left is bread. So I can choose the bread from there, or I can use wholemeal, which I prefer actually. There will be 8 rolls in this, so it will be better. It is wholemeal and it's cheaper also, and there are 8 rolls inside it in almost 1 pound. So I came here at the river, and here I'm going to cook something. So I found this place in between. It's dry. The very first thing I'm doing is washing the utensils. So this river, the water is going on. I just chopped 1 onion, and as I don't have oil, so I'm going to use water for this, and I'm going to start preparing it. Let's see how it will be. This is the first time I'm making directly without any oil or something. So let's see how it will be, because I forgot to bring oil. I knew at ALDI, but I was like, I don't need it. Let's see how it will go. So I'm going to put this on the top. The food is going to be ready in a couple of minutes. I first use water to boil some tomatoes, some onions. Then I used tomato, and tomato also have its own water, so it's being cooked. So it will take like 10-15 minutes more. So it is almost ready. I am going to put some eggs inside, and then we will use some cheese. I think 2 eggs are more than enough, and I feel there is a need of salt a bit. I am going to close the lid again, and I will leave it for half a minute. Then I will put some cheese in it. So open the cheese packet. I'm going to put some cheese. I want cheese and everything to be ready with the eggs. There is still some water which is going to help in cooking it. And the wind is actually getting fast. I should sit on the other side. I'm going to just garnish with cheese, and it is done. Air was coming from this side, as the river is flowing from this side to that one, so air was also coming from this side, which was making it a problem for it. So I just sat here in front of it, so I will try to block some air. I just closed the stove, turn it off, and Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm going to take it over there. This place is a bit dry. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So this is how it looks. This is some type of, you can say, Turkish way of making egg. And my friend Numan, my childhood friend, he told me, I saw it before, but I never tried. So he was the first person who asked me to try this one. So it is ready. Let's see how it does it taste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The best thing for these type of rolls is, like, it's ready to eat. You just open the box, you don't need to even warm it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The taste is good. Actually, the onion is not as it is fried, so it should have a sweet taste of onion, but it's fine. Alhamdulillah bil alamin. Hopefully you like my video, and I'm getting ready for camping and how to make things. Today it just came up like I was hungry and I was out of the town, so I thought, why not using these skills and the stuff I have rather than going to a restaurant. I don't actually like going to restaurants. What is better than this? I'm sitting inside the river actually. Subhanallah. The taste is good, alhamdulillah. It's a bit you can say sweet, but it's fine. I can use more salt to get rid of the sweet taste because it's not that much, it's a bit one, but it is fine. I'm going to eat. Hopefully you like my video, subscribe my channel, and we'll meet at another place with another video or visiting a new place. Till that time, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And whenever you do go for wild camping, regardless of which part of the country you are in, just try to clean it up, because people normally they leave trash over there and they make things very vulnerable. So I just request, if anyone is going, just clean it. I'm going to clean it up because I have onion and egg, so I'm going to take these things with me, and outside I will put them into the bin. Take care.